Today, I'll be reviewing AISellers, which allows you to create your own AI agent, which you can train with your own data. Now, once that agent has been created, it's going to create videos for you on that trained data. It's going to create landing pages for you. It's going to write ebooks for you. It's going to create opt-in pages. It's going to create and write emails for you. It's going to create social media graphics. It's going to write your ads. It's going to write blog articles for you, SMS and WhatsApp messages. And also it creates a bot which you can add to your website to answer your visitors' questions. Now, I'm going to do a full review so you don't have to search anywhere else to get all the details. Also, there is a link in the description where you can find more information about the pricing. If there are coupons available, you can find them on my website as well, plus some bonuses if you pick this up through my link. Now, please hit the thumbs up to help me rank this video. And for now, let's dive into it and let me show you how AISellers works. So when we are on our dashboard, we can create a new project here on the right side. And basically it works super simple. Now, I like to train this bot with my own data from our own product, Rocket Videos. So I'm going to call this Rocket Videos. And from here, you have different options to create the training for your agent. So you can write here the information that you want to train your agent with. So you can give this a title and write your description. Now, what I personally like to do is, for example, our website is rocketvideos.pro/special. So I'm going to copy this URL and I take the second option here where I put our URL in this field here. And you can choose if this is a commercial, an e-commerce site or non-e-commerce URL. So I'm going to click on import here. And what will happen now is that AISellers will grab all the information from the URL and it's going to train the agent with that information so it can create all the other elements that I just showed you. Now, another option, if you do not want to import a website URL, you can also train it with your own media. So here you can upload your PDF, docs, images, or PNG files even. It's going to train itself with that data. If you have videos, you can upload MP4 videos as well, and it will transcribe the information for itself to learn about your product. Now, when we go back to import URL here, you can see it's importing the data. So I'll be back once that is done. And there we are, I'm back. And now you can see there's an eyeball here. When I click on this eyeball, it's going to show me the URL. Actually, I needed to click this pencil here. When I click on this pencil, you can see that it grabbed all the information here from my website. It reads everything on my website. Plus, it grabs all the images from my website so that it can use these images in my campaigns as well. So when we go back to our campaign here, at the right side here, you have your knowledge brain, which we are training here. But when you flip this switch here, you can flip this to assets. And from the assets part, you can start creating your videos, landing pages, books, ebooks, etc. So let me start from left to right and just show you all the features on the inside. So let's start with videos. And I'm going to click on create video here. And I'm going to give this video a name. So I'm going to do Rocket Videos video. And then you can choose the country here. You can choose the language that you want to have the video in. And basically all languages are supported. And you can choose the platform. So you could say Facebook, slideshow, instant experience video ads. And it's going to show you the sizes here as well. So you can choose from Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Snapchat, TikTok, Twitter, YouTube. So I can say, for example, I want to have a YouTube video here and the style needs to be here. You can choose between those: VSL, engaging, promo, informative, fun, news, controversial, or product review. So let's say we want to do an engaging. We want to just sell this, and I'm going to click on create. And on this screen, I can choose the type of video that I would like to create. So here we have different options. So I can use text to custom video here. So I can import a text. I can do a talking head video where I can upload my picture and it's becoming a talking head. I can also do an image to video. So I can use the images that it grabbed from my website and it's going to create a video from that. Or I can do a text to movie scene as well. So in this case, I'm going to choose text to custom video here. I'm going to click select here and I'm going to click on create. And from here, I can give my video ID overview. So if I have a specific video in mind, I can share this in here. So what I'm going to say here is create a sales video for Rocket Videos. And I'm going to click on next. And basically it's going to walk me through the steps here on the left side. So now it comes with video IDs. And as you can see here, it comes with many IDs. So get more views and engagement, Rocket Clips secret sauce, or maximize your reach, why Rocket Clips is a game changer. So if I like this one, I'm going to select this. Now you can see it's here on the right side. I can also say effortlessly video editing, Rocket Clips AI in action. I'm just going to select this one as well. So you can see when you select these topics in here, you can also regenerate them. Here are my IDs that I like to work with. So when I click on next here, it's going to go to the next step in here, the metadata. So inside the metadata, this is what I can use when I post my videos, etc. So you can see it's creating this for both videos. It's going to give a title, a description. It's going to show me the tags, etc. And the same thing for the second video. So it depends on how many videos you have. It will be created here inside of the metadata. And basically you run through this menu. You simply click next, next, next. And it's going to create the next element, which is the script of the video. So here you can see the script, which you can modify. So effortlessly video editing with Rocket Clips AI. And you can see here the video clip, the script that is being created. Now you can write this yourself as well. You can change this here if you'd like to. But when we click next, it's asking you where you want to post these videos. So right now, YouTube and Facebook are supported, and you need to connect your accounts first in order to enable those. And once you've done that, you can choose a time and a date when you want to schedule this. I have not connected my account, so I cannot show you this right now. I'm going to click next, and then it's going to create a thumbnail for me automatically based on my information. And there you go. Here's a thumbnail. And this is the thumbnail that's being used. And if I like to, I can upload a new thumbnail. I can also edit the current thumbnail. So if I click on edit thumbnail here, I have the option here to add images, text, extras, shapes, borders. I can also add AI images on top here. And I can use this or download this. So I can modify my thumbnail. So this is a YouTube short, as you can see right here. So I'm going to click next. And from here, I can choose the type of media that I like to use. So I can say, I want to generate everything with AI images, or I want to use stock images. So let's try AI. This will be a hard feature maybe because it's a very specific product that I'm trying to promote right now, but I just want to show you what it's capable of. We all know the stock images, right? It's going to grab stock images, but let's see what kind of AI images it creates. So I'm going to click on create videos here. And I forgot to show you one thing, that you can also connect your 11 Labs accounts, which means that you can also clone your own voice, use your own voice as a voiceover inside of AISellers. All right. Right now, it's generating the slides, as you can see here. It's generating 2 videos at this moment. And here it already says awaiting customization here. So these are the 2 videos. Now it also says here awaiting customization. So I'm going to click these 3 buttons. I can download this thumbnail and I can edit the video. So I'm going to click on edit, and this will open the video editor for me, where it's loading all the information. So here you can see this has been created, and from here I can change everything that I like to. So you can see these images have been created, and I can also play the video if I like to here. When I click on play, it's going to
Are you tired of spending hours editing videos only to get lackluster results? Say goodbye to complicated editing tools and hello to...
So you can see it automatically add effects to the image that it has created. So for each scene, and the script is pretty long, so I prefer to add my own script or to make it shorter. But you can see here, it creates a video editor, which is actually pretty nice here. So for each scene, you can see it's creating different images here that I can use. And I can also modify everything. So if I want to change the font colors, etc., here on the right side, you have all the options. So you can add extra images, videos, colors, etc. You can upload your own media, or this was the background, by the way. You can add text layers, so you can change the text as well. So if you want to change the text to purple here, you can do that. If you want to have another background, so let's say we want to make this dark, or maybe you want to make this black, you simply choose your color here and it becomes better readable, as you can see here. So you can modify all these things in here. Also the voice cloning, if you like to clone your voice, you can integrate with 11 Labs like I told you. The AI voices, so if you want to change the voice in here, so these voices are currently available. Honestly, these are not the most high quality voices. They do okay, but they're free with your purchase. So that's a cool thing. You can also upload your own voiceover if you'd like to, or you can record your own voiceover if you like to, and you can upload that. So there are many options in this video editor. Also, if you like to add a talking head, you can do that. You can upload your image here. So when I do this, let's say I'm going to do Tim Verdal, and I take this picture here, I can say open, upload, and now you can see it's being added to the video here at the right bottom. So you can also say, I want to have this shape differently, like a square. And you can also say, I want to have this medium or maybe a large size, so it becomes big. And now this photo will be talking on my video. You can choose the audio that you'd like to use, like background music. You can also upload your own background music. You can also zoom in. So these are the layer animations. So you could select a layer and you can say, okay, I want to wobble this, or choose any of the effects here on the inside. You can change the duration, etc. You can also do an intro video and an outro. So if you'd like to do some commercials in front, you simply select this and you upload your commercial. Same thing for the outro. Here you have captions. If you like to enable captions, you can also do that, and the captions will appear here on the screen. You can change the voiceover audio volume and also the background audio volume. Also, if you want to add a call to action, now this is basically a text element on top of your video. And then you have your settings where you can add a logo and a watermark as well. And once you're ready, you simply click on render and your video will be rendered. You can see that right here.
Are you tired of spending hours on video editing only to get lackluster results? Say goodbye to complicated editing tools and overpriced human editors.
So this is the first part. This is the video creation part. And again, you can create 4 different types of videos. Let's go to the next one, which is landing pages here. You simply click on create landing page. So I'm going to say RV landing, LP, Rocket Videos. Again, you can choose the language in here from all these languages. And I'm going to click create. And now you can choose from the different templates. So there are different templates that you can choose from the landing pages. You can also preview them. So when you click on this icon here, you can see this is how the landing page will look like. So let's take this one. I like this one. Click select, click on create, and it's already creating the landing page for me. If you would like to create an extra landing page, you can simply click on create landing page again and say RVLP2. And I'm going to click on generate here, and you can take another template here. So let's say you like this template here. You click on create and it's going to create a second landing page. So both landing pages have been created right now. You simply click on these 3 dots. You can preview this landing page. So this is how your landing pages will look like. Unlock the power of AI, create viral videos with just a click. And you can change the background here, etc. You can add a video here to this page. You can add a logo. And it will add the information here, what it's trained from the URL that we've uploaded here. So you can see here, it got the information in here, giving this information. If you like to use this page as a promotional page, you could create a review page basically of this. It's also automatically adding bonuses for picking up this product. And you can also use it as sales pages, for example, where people get these products for free that will be provided by AISellers, and your button here. So here it says get RVLP. So you need to configure your name correctly to get it right on the buttons. But basically, if you want to edit this, you can click on edit here. And here it will give you a simplified page builder, or where you can edit the information. So basically you can change the colors in here. You can add your own domain if you like to. When you enable this, you can simply enter your domain name here and add the information. Change the colors in here, the font types, etc. Upload your own logo. And here you can see the banner description. So you can change everything on here. Here also get RVLP, so you could say get Rocket Videos here, and then the button text will change to this. You can add your own video embed code so that the video will be changed to your video. And also if you like to disable things, like if you do not like to show features, you can disable this section. The same thing for the bonuses, for example. If you do not want to show bonuses, you simply disable this feature here. Also, the bonuses are being provided automatically here. And you can also add your own bonuses, add more bonuses, and then you can simply click on more bonuses, and then you can choose from the provided bonuses here. Downside is, from what I can see, you cannot add your own bonuses. So you need to work with their bonuses. You can do that, but then you need to edit your own images. So you need to change these parts in here. And then the thank you page automatically when people are landing on your thank you page. Now, you can also use the what you see is what you get editor. So if you prefer what you see is what you get editor, you can open this editor where you can see the page itself and change the elements on the page with a page builder like this. So here you can add the elements here from the left side. You can simply drag and drop them. So if you like to add another text element, you drop that in here and you can make the changes. You can add your videos, images, etc. So this is basically a what you see is what you get editor where you can modify all the parts in here. So that is how you build your landing pages. Next thing is books, ebooks. So if you want to write ebooks, you simply click on create ebook, say RV ebook, and click on create here. And again, here you can choose from the different templates. So let's say we just pick one of these. Let's say we pick this template. We click on create. And now it's creating an ebook for us, again, based on the URL, the information that we trained this AI agent with. And we can modify anything in the ebook once it's created. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to run over them. I'm going to generate all of them so that we can come back and go over them one by one. So I'm going to create an opt-in page here, RV opt-in. I'm going to click on create, and it's generating the opt-in page for me. Blog article. I like to create a blog article. I'm going to say blog. I'm going to click on create. It's going to create a blog article. I want to create ads. The same thing. I'm going to say ads and create this thing for me. And that's how simple it's going to create all the information for you. Social media graphics. This is another part where you simply describe what you want to have. So let's say Rocket Videos. And I like to show a computer, close-up of a computer with a video editing timeline on the screen, something like this. And then you can choose what size you like to have. So this is a YouTube standard video for a thumbnail. But again, you can choose between all the other options in here as well. So I'm going to click on create, and it's going to generate that thumbnail for me as well. Email, same way. I'm going to create an email. And I can describe my email ID. So here you can describe if you want to have a promotional email, if you want to promote a webinar for your product, whatever you like to do. So let's say promote Rocket Videos and provide a $5 coupon, 5 off, code 5 off. Click create, and it's going to write the email for me. And then WhatsApp, text WhatsApp, create the message, and we're going to do the same message, and then promote Rocket Videos and give 5 off coupon for 5 off, like this, and click on create. And then finally the bot, I'm going to click on create bot as well, enter my name, Tim's bot, and you can upload your image in here. So you could do your product logo. I'm going to do myself as a bot image in here. I'm going to take this one again, click on open, and you can change the brand color here, so you can match this with your website. And also you can enable a Telegram bot. When I enable this, you need to enter your Telegram bot token, and then this bot can also be used on Telegram as well. In this case, I'm going to click on create, and it's going to create the bot for me. Now let's go back to the books, because that one is probably finished. There you go. Here you got the Rocket Videos book. So you have a few options. You can view this as a PDF. So I'm going to click that. And the next thing, what you also can do, you can preview this as a flip book, which is pretty cool. that you can see right here. So this is the flip book that it created. You can flip this book, and this is a ebook that is being written all automatically based on the information that we trained this agent with. So you can see here features of Rocket Clips AI, and then the next thing, the 3 essential elements of great videos. So it's giving extra information as well, streamlining your video creation process with AI. And it's writing all this information, maximizing engagement, best practices for short form video, leveraging Rocket Clips AI for enhanced brand exposure. So it's basically promoting your product here, etc. Now the same thing is for the ebook. This is basically the same. You can see we chose this template here, and here's all the information. You can see it generated the images automatically with a camera. It's matching my theme here perfectly here, videos on the iPhone here. It created all of this. Now you can modify all of this as well. So you simply go to edit here, ebook, where you can edit everything. So this is the ebook. It has generated this image. Now, if you want to regenerate an image, you can do that. You can edit the image in here, and you can change all the chapters. So here are the chapters that have been created for this ebook. So if you want to change text on the ebook, you simply select the next chapter here, and you can modify anything here on the right side. If you don't like the chapter, you can regenerate as well. And that's basically how you create ebooks. Next thing, opt-in pages. So this page has been generated. Simply go to the menu preview, and this is the opt-in page that has been generated automatically. Create viral video clips in one click with Rocket Clips AI. Got instant access. You got the menu here. You got the pointers. You got the sign up form here where people can win a free RV opt-in. I can change this. But basically, it created this opt-in page for me where people can opt in to get access to your product or to a webinar, etc. And you can change this here again. Simply click on edit. It has the same simplified editor in here. And again, you can change this in the what you see is what you get editor. If you prefer that, you can simply type everything in here. If you want to make changes here to these bullet points, you can change that in here. But you can also do that in the simplified page where you can change these as well, like here in the list. As you can see, here are the list items. So that is how your opt-in page looks. Also the colors here. You can add the Facebook, Instagram, your social channels, etc. on that page. Next one, blog articles. So it has also written a blog article with an image that we can use as well. Click on edit, and here you can see the blog article that has been generated. You can see the image in here. You can change the image. You can regenerate the blog article. You can download here as a PDF or as a document, whatever you prefer. You can read it here. You can make your changes. Then you can publish it to your blog. And this is not connected to your WordPress or to your blog. You need to copy and paste this. And that's also why you can download your blog article. Next thing is ads. It also creates ads. And again, if you like to create more, you simply create on ads, and it's creating extra ads as well. You click on edit here. You can see the image that it has generated here for Rocket Videos. It has a video editor. You can see the ad name, the ad headline. You can see the button type, etc. And once you're satisfied, you can also download this to your computer, or you can update it. Here you got a preview of how your ad will look like when you post this to Facebook, for example. When you click on download, you get all the assets in a zip file in here, which you can open here. And you can see here, you get the image that you can use, and you get the ad text that you can use in your ads. Next thing, social media graphics. And this is the social media graphic that we just described. Remember where I said a close-up of a monitor with a video editing timeline. Check this out. It created this image. So again, you can download this to your computer, and here you can see the full preview. It's a high quality image, as you can see, and this is what has been generated from the prompt that we added. So you can basically create as many images as you like. Simply give your prompt in here, and it will generate the social media image for you. The email, so we asked to write a promotional email, so we click on edit, and here you can see the email that has been written. You can see here the exclusive $5 off coupon with the code 5OFF. It has written the email for us. If you want to regenerate it, you simply click on regenerate and it's going to regenerate another email for you. You can also change the layout options here, etc. All right, next thing, SMS, WhatsApp messages. Click on edit here and it's creating the SMS text message. So it cannot have as many characters as with a WhatsApp message. So this is the SMS message. Unlock Video Magic. Use Rocket Vibe for 5 off your subscription. Blah, blah, blah. Here the same thing for WhatsApp messaging also included. And then finally the bot. So here you got the bot, which you can add to your website here. You can click these 3 dots or 4 dots. Click on edit. And here you can see your bot. So you have a bot URL that you can visit. So you can simply open this or copy this and then you can paste this in here. And now you got a bot website. You can see my images in here. It will open the bot, ask for a name, email address. How can we help? And then you can start your conversation. And yeah, basically you can add this also to your website. So you basically copy this header code that you're seeing right here and the body code. And you can add that to your website to add this same bot to your website or to basically any website. So when we go back here to the main menu, we can see all our recent projects in here. Also in the projects tab, you can see the projects that you have created. You can manage them. Simply click on this plus icon where you can train your bot. So you can see this is the one that we trained. Switch to your assets if you want to access your assets. You can see your schedule. So if you have scheduled your content, you can see that here on this calendar as well. So if you schedule this to Facebook or YouTube, you'll see this on here. And inside of the integrations tab here, you can see the integration. So here is the part where you can connect your Facebook, your YouTube, Sonority if you have that, or Video Reel. These are 2 other products by the same vendor. Or your 11 Labs account if you want to clone your voice or use any other voice available by 11 Labs. And you can also connect your autoresponder to save the leads from the opt-in pages. And that's basically what AISellers is all about. It's a platform where you can train your own agent and it will create all these assets for you. Now, again, there's a link in the description with more information about the pricing, coupons, available bonuses if you pick this up through my link. And again, hit a thumbs up if this video was useful to you. It helps me to rank my videos on YouTube. And also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done yet. I do a lot of product reviews. I interview product vendors as well. So hit that subscribe button, notification bell to get notified. And thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in my next video and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.